Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best and most reliable products for your everyday needs. Today, we're talking about the YTT Touchscreen Mist Cleaner, the best screen swiper you'll ever need for all your devices. If you're tired of struggling with dirty screens and stubborn fingerprints, this cleaner is here to save the day. The YTT Touchscreen Mist Cleaner comes as a convenient 2-in-1 kit, combining a spray bottle with a microfiber cloth all in one sleek package. This makes it incredibly easy to carry and use on the go. With a built-in 10 ml cleaning solution, all you have to do is give your screen a quick spray. Wipe it down with the microfiber cloth, and watch as your device transforms into a smudge-free masterpiece. What makes this cleaner so effective? It's formulated with a powerful cleaning solution using an active agent combined with pure water, ensuring that it tackles dirt, fingerprints, sweat stains, and more, without leaving streaks behind. The microfiber cloth itself is incredibly soft, gentle under screens, and reusable, so you're not only getting a spotless display but also great value for your money. Whether it's your phone, laptop, tablet, TV screen, or even your car's display, this cleaner is designed to work on all touchscreens and electronic devices. It's lightweight, compact, and easy to use. Just press the button to release the cleaning mist and then use the cloth to wipe it off. That's it. No complicated steps, just a clean and shiny screen in seconds. One of the best things about the YTT Touchscreen Mist Cleaner is how user-friendly it is. You don't have to worry about carrying separate cleaners or worrying about them spilling in your bag. The all-in-one design takes care of everything, and the microfiber cloth can be washed and reused, making it both eco-friendly and cost-effective. So, if you're looking for a simple, efficient way to keep your screens looking brand new, the YTT Touchscreen Mist Cleaner is the solution. With its powerful formula and easy-to-use design, it's the ultimate tool for anyone who wants a clean screen at all times. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and we'll see you next time with more top-rated products.